What's up, babies? Welcome back to the channel. Hey, I'm coming at you with this hair, with this look. Okay, Valentine's Day is just around the corner, but honestly, I would have did this look regardless. Okay, but this hair and the colors of the glitter just had to happen. You feel me? So I'm actually not gonna talk much during this tutorial because everyone's telling me I talk way too much, which I feel it. So I'm gonna come in a few parts just to explain what I'm doing, but other than that, enjoy the video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I'm actually using Burgundy Eyeshadow, and I'm just putting this right on top of the brows I already drew because it like hit me after I drew the brows on. So this is an easy way. If anyone's struggling with colored brows, this is a great way to do it. But your brows are gonna have to be dark if you do this method, like drawing them on with pomade and then adding the shadow on top. You can't like draw your brows on dark like that and then try to add pink or something. It's not gonna look as, you know, pigmented as the eyeshadow. So just keep that in mind. But like for purple brows or blue or red, this definitely would work and is really easy to do. Oh my god, y'all, I forgot to mention, I mean, it's probably in the title, but I just definitely want to come on here to say that this look is a recreation from my girl Shayna, okay? TailorMadeJane on Instagram and YouTube. She kills everything she does. I love her. She's literally one of my really good friends, and I had to recreate this look because it was everything, okay? Make sure y'all go follow her on all her social media as well because baby is really killing the game as she should. That's what I'm putting on top. Hey, BeatsByDeb Cosmetics glitter, okay? So this is my first time trying the Instabake Beauty Bakerie foundation, and y'all, I was shook by the coverage of this foundation. Like, oh my lord, I'm like, bro, you really don't need but a little bit, because this covered my entire face and some, like literally. I just did like these 2 pumps across my face, and then I was like, whoa, okay, coverage, come on through. And honestly, when I first started blending this literally matched my neck so perfect. Like, it was the perfect shade, but it did get a little bit lighter as time went on. So I would suggest going 1 shade, maybe darker, but honestly it's up to you, because I know how to, you know, correct the foundation. If it's just a slightly off, I'll check it to see if it matches my hand, and then I'm like, okay, if it's a little off, then I'll contour a little bit more, you know. So I did use their concealers as well. I used them to conceal and to contour today, and I love these concealers. Like, the formula is really easy to blend, because I'm like, if it dries too quick, it's gonna be hard to blend out for contour, but it actually did really good. They're really creamy and gorgeous, and I was like, bro, like, you're gonna see on my flashback videos that they really did really good. And y'all already know that I've already used the Beauty Bakerie flower setting powder, and I was so nervous when I first dipped into this powder, because it's translucent, it's white, you know, and me being melanated, I'm like, bro, I'm gonna look so ashy. But I kid you not, like, it honestly is so finely milled that it just sweeps right off your skin. It doesn't soak up into your skin and cause that flashback. It just sits right on top, and you can dust it off so easily. But it's cool. I'm gonna let you see the results or whatever, and you can determine yourself. You feel me? Okay, Jessica Rabbit, come through, period. Okay, so this hair is from Elfin Hair, by the way, if anyone's wondering or was gonna ask in the comments. I just wand curled this and like kind of combed them out a little bit, and all my glitters and everything will be listed down below. Everything I used will be listed down below. This Diamond Bomb Fenty highlighter is just everything. Oh my god. And then the hairpins just added that perfect touch. I hope you all are just as obsessed with this look as I am. I got the scream of approval from my girl Shayna, or TailorMadeJane, on YouTube and Instagram. She loved it too, and I'm so glad, because she killed it and broke the internet with this look, as she should have, because this was so fun and easier than I thought it would be to do. So you all should definitely recreate her look as well. It was really fun, and the turnout is just everything. Okay, anyways, I love you all so much. Thank you again for watching. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'm gonna let y'all just feel and get into these low light videos, okay? Because this Diamond Bomb really did something. The hair, the brows, the glitter is everything. All right, see y'all in the next video. Bye.